is the Vulture Droid. Not excessively big, but it's only 260 odd pieces. But and it's not complicated to build either. But it's quite a bit of articulation on this. These are the four wings. They all have some movement there. Whether that's where it's coming into land or flying off into deep space, you don't know. And the little cockpit just here articulates up, so you can see a little pilot battle droid in there, and then back down again. Yeah, that's very effective. Come here, and there's your little man inside. There's a few stickers on it, not too many. Pretty plain with a couple of colours. But there we are, Vulture Droid. Had a buildable buzz droid, and that's the baby there. So that was something different. You know, so you got your battle droid pilot and one other minifigure which showed in the showcase, and that was a little droid that was buildable. I'm not seeing too many of those in these kits, so I don't know why they discontinued that, if that's what they did in 2014. And like I said before, these spring-loaded shooters, you know, they come out with a fair bit of force. You've got to be careful with these. So, you know, point it away from yourself and nod at anybody else's head. So, there you go. Nice one. Simple little kit, but I think it's quite effective. Doesn't take too much space up, and it's a good display model. So hunt it out online, see if you think it's worth having second hand. And I'll see you on the next build. Okay, cheers.